Hey, in this video, I will show you a very simple way to recover permanently deleted messages on Messenger. So if you appreciate me making a video just like this, make sure you give me a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new to the channel, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to help you out. So what you want to do is go on Facebook Messenger, tap on the three dashes at the top right corner, then go down to settings and privacy. From there, you want to click on settings. You want to go down until you find this option, download your information. It is under your Facebook information category. So you click here and you want to select, first you want to click on deselect and you want to just select messages. Go down, click on create a file, and then it will be processed and you can download it. So that's all you gotta do. If this video helped you out, give me a like and I want to see you in the next one.